GameStop is launching a crypto wallet. El Salvador president brought 44 developing nations together to discuss the future of crypto. What does it mean for the market? And when do we expect the end of the falling coins? My name is Nabil Weikemper and I will show you today my analysis and what I'm going to do in the market. Let's check it out.
This video was presented by PEAKDEFI, the DeFi ecosystem to grow your wealth.
So, what we are doing in the market right now. First of all, here's the article about the GameStop, about the crypto wallet they're going to create, and this is the article why the crypto taking root in the emerging markets. Yes, the president of El Salvador, he brought together 44 developing nations together to talk about the crypto's future. But what does it mean for the future from crypto, and when is the end of the crypto falling? Let's check it out and let's see what the market is telling us. So, first of all, in the end of the video, I will show you a coin tip where you could invest, or maybe not investing. If you day trade it, maybe you get some points out of it. So first of all, what do I see? Again, the same. The situation didn't change a lot. We are still falling, and the sideways market here is on the low from the latest impulse. So this means the people who are selling are still have an advantage. So for that, we still have to take care, and we have to wait until my indicator here on the bottom will show us a green sign. Then we could going and thinking about some longs for the short-term market. So what do I think? It doesn't change a lot. I still think the Bitcoin will fall down to nearly 23,000, 25,000. I still think we're going to make maybe a new low. But should I buy right now for my HODL portfolio? Yes, you can. You can buy something, but all times with the thought this will be an investment for a longer term, not for a term in 1 week I will be rich. No, every time for a longer term. So in that case, I would wait as well to put some more money in. I still bought some, right? I still bought for my HODL portfolio because anyways I trade them every day. On the bottom you see my latest trade. It was a ETH trade today. What I took, it was a long trade, I have to say. It wasn't a short trade. Yeah, on that case. So let me analyze ETH for you, and where I think the market could go, and where I would buy next time. Okay, so every time the same. Software is loading all the indicators. Yeah, sometimes the software is super slow, just because I have a lot of windows here. Like for my day trade, I use this one on one screen. I have here as well my forex pairs, and here my indices with gold and oil. Then I as well have this window here with all my cryptocurrencies and my trading strategy to find some buys. So there's a lot of stuff for the software to calculate, and that's why it's all times sometimes very slowly. Here the same. We are consolidating on a very low level, right? We all times have to think about the 1,700 mark, which if this is holding, we are fine. But I still think we have to make still a new lower low, because I think if we don't do it, there's still not too much blood on the what's it called, on the market. Let me check the wrong page. Let me check the market, how much blood, how much fear we have right now. Because this, I guess, is important to know how much fear we have right now. yeah, because if we don't have fear, if a lot of people are still buying Bitcoins and not selling them, then I think we don't gonna go up. So okay. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so where are we right now? We are at level 10. And this is the same when we looked at last time, I guess. On the chart, we're actually on 12, no, on 10. Yeah, we've been on 12, 10. Maybe we're gonna see a 7 or something. Because I'm gonna refresh it. I think the lowest part was 9. Yeah, I think it was 9. So yeah, 9, 8. 8 was even lower. So maybe we see 7. So that's why I still think the market will fall down more. The same with ETH. I think we see maybe a new lower low. It doesn't have to be the wick of this candle. It can be just below 1900. That's what I think. So yeah, and there will be an interesting pair right now to trade short. Yes, short. You see, it was a long time ago that we've been above my momentum line, and here we can short it. And as well, maybe I can show it to you. Maybe yes, I guess I can, because I took a nice trade. The strategies, I will show all my strategies later on to explain it to everyone what I'm doing every day on my daily business. Let me check on. Okay, doing it like that, and then we see I made some. Oh yeah, I have to do that here as well. We see I took some shorts on that level, and we see here it was as well on my zone, and I took some shorts. So let me show it to you where it was. It was a 20. I know exactly what it was. It was here, as we see it here. Okay. And now we're going into the 1 minute chart. Okay, so all times the same. I just trade in my sessions. I don't trade out of my sessions because I want volatility, and out of the sessions there are no volatility. So if I'm not in the session, I'm not trading. Simple like that. Yeah, as you see, I'm all times have to load so many data. That's why it's super slowly. But we will come to the 20s. We will find it, and I will explain you what was the entry, the exit, and you will see how precise I got the top. So here we are. So again, we are in my sessions, and I like it, pump and dump. We're just pumping the market up. Get it triple micro top here. That's what I like to see. And then actually we see here the market is falling down, and then in that range here, maybe I have to do it like that. Here I went short, and you see the market is not like here. It was in my zone, and I would say it was a perfect entry. If we look further, we see the market fall really nice down. I mean, I didn't hold it until the end, but imagine I would from here, and my stop loss would be above this high, and then there would be a possible of 11 to 6. So imagine I would take it. So for example, if I did half percent per trade, then I would take here 5% on my whole account. Would be amazing. Because as you know, I'm not showing you how I make like 20, 30, 40,000 because I don't risk all my money. I just risk a little percentile of my money. So 5% on one trade would be crazy. Would be really good. So yeah, but I guess I went out somewhere like here, and I'm not risking 0.5%. That would be still a lot for me. I'm risking like 25, like 0.25% of my money on the account. So that's fine. It was a good trade. Today was ETH, and still BNB. It's a super nice possible trade we can make right now, because we are in the zone. It looks like a nice reversal on the daily chart, and we broke lower here. So this is actually what we want to see. And yeah, so tomorrow I will watching out for shorts. Unfortunately, I have to do it with another strategy, because we see H1 and M5, M15 is long. So normally I just have to take some longs on that kind of strategy. But for the short term, with the daily confirmation, we are in the zones. So because, as you know, on a retracement back up, we have to get long on M15 and long on M1. Because D1 daily chart is just much higher than the M15 chart and the H1 chart. So in that case, I will looking for some confirmation on my M1 chart to shorting that. So for my conclusion, tip number 1, you can try to short BNB. That's my first tip. And of course, the market still, I think, will fall down. I will still buy something for my HODL portfolio. If you don't have much to invest, you can still wait for some cheaper prices, because I think we will get some cheaper prices. Yes, in that case, I hope you have a great week. Don't trade too much, don't lose money, and we're gonna hear us later. Bye.